Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix USB devices constantly disconnecting and reconnecting in Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is unplug your USB device and plug it back in. The idea is to rule out any issues caused by a loose connection. If you use a USB cable to connect your phone or hard drive to your computer, check the wire and the connector for damage. You can also try switching out the cable if possible. The issue may not be with your device, but with the USB port on your computer. You can try connecting your device to another USB port to see if that works. If you use a USB hub, try plugging your device directly into the computer. It might be possible that the USB hub may not supply enough power to keep the USB device running. Choosing a stricter power usage profile for your PC or laptop may also cause Windows to disable the drivers powering your USB devices. To fix that, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the list. Double-click Universal Serial Bus Controllers to expand it. Right-click on your USB driver, select Properties, switch to the Power Management tab, and then check the box that reads Allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. Hit OK to save changes. Repeat these steps for other USB drivers. After that, restart your PC and try using your USB device to check if the issue is still there. In case the issue still persists, Windows 11 includes a hardware and devices troubleshooter that can automatically detect and resolve any common issues with peripheral devices. To do that, press the Windows key and X to open the Power User menu and select Command Prompt Admin from the list. In the console, type the command msdt.exe/id device diagnostic and press enter. In the Hardware and Devices window, hit Next to allow Windows to scan for any issues. If the automatic repair pops up, follow the on-screen instructions to apply the recommended fix. After that, restart your PC and check if the issue is still there. Just like any other hardware drivers, USB drivers help Windows communicate with your USB devices. If your USB device still keeps disconnecting and reconnecting, you might have a driver issue on your hand. You need to update or reinstall the USB driver. To do that, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type devmgmp.msc in the box and press Enter. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers tree. Right-click on the USB driver and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. If your PC has multiple USB ports, repeat these steps to uninstall each driver. After you remove USB drivers, restart your PC, and Windows should automatically install the missing USB drivers during boot.
That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.